What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to a new video, and in this one, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be talking and I'm going to be showing you guys how to perfectly parallel park, and this is obviously going to be beneficial for your test. If you guys are coming from my G2 test, you're gonna probably have to parallel park on your test, and also just for daily driving, you know what I mean? If you're going to the mall or like going downtown or something, you need a park, you're gonna know how to parallel park. So here it is.
So fire, come here, so rider.
Really quickly, if you guys could press that subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. You know, it means a lot to me. Hit that like button and leave a comment. You know how it is. It would be greatly appreciated. So I'm gonna be taking a different approach on how to parallel park. It's not going to be the classic in the car, do this. It's going to be from the top of it, so you guys can visualize it, and I'm gonna talk you guys through it and show you how it works. This helped me, and it helped me better understand the physics and the basics of parallel parking. So hopefully it does the same for you guys. And yeah, so let's get into it. So you're just driving, right? In your Lambo, you know, and then you see a spot, and you're like, oh, I want to park there. You got to make sure that you have a car space, the space of like the same exact space as your car, and then some. So probably like half of your car or a quarter of your car. So as you can see here, if we go to the front, we have the car length and then a bit of space. So that's okay, we know we're gonna fit. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to drive up and we're gonna match the side mirror to the side mirror. So just like that, we're gonna go side mirror to side mirror. So after that, you're gonna turn the steering wheel towards the side mirror over here. So pretend this wheel is turned all the way that way, and then you're going to put it in reverse, obviously, and then you're gonna go back, and the car is going to be turning with you. Once your side mirror, this one, hits the back light of that car, you're gonna straighten out the wheel. So you know how it was curved this way, it was curved pointing that way, you're gonna straighten it out now so that you go right to the back. So now, once you've touched your side mirror to this back light and you're turning in and you just straightened it out, you're going to go back. So pretend this is the end, say this is the ocean and you want to park right here. So you're gonna keep going straight until the back corner of your car touches, say, the sidewalk or the ocean or whatever. You don't want to go in, but you want to stop right at the whatever is over here. So it'll be right like that. So you'd stop right there, but you're not actually gonna stop, obviously, because this isn't parked. So once your back corner of the car touches the edge, this is when you turn the steering wheel so that you can go back in. So obviously you're going to turn it this way towards the road, and then since you stopped at the corner here, you're not going to go straight into it, and the car is already turned, so the wheels turned, and you're just going to put it in reverse, and then you're going to slowly back in. See, this wheel still turned this way because you're going in as you're reversing in, and then boom, you're looking in your back mirror to make sure you don't hit the car behind you, and you have some space here. So once you have the space there, you straighten out the wheel, and then you move up a little, and then boom, that is you parallel parked. So here it is again, just in a faster motion without breaking it down completely. You're driving straight, you're checking the spot, your car can fit with a little bit of space, so you're good. You're going to drive up, you're matching your side mirror to side mirror, you're turning the steering wheel towards the side mirror this way because you're going back in. So you're turning your steering wheel towards the right, and then you're gonna go back in. Once side mirror touches the backlight, you're straightening out the wheel so that you go to the edge. You're going back. Once your car touches the edge, you're turning the steering wheel to the left, and then you're gonna go back in, boom, all the way. Obviously, as you come in, you're going to be straightening this out, because if you don't, then you're just gonna keep on going in a loop like this. So obviously, we're gonna fix that. You're gonna straighten the wheel out as you're going back, checking your rear view mirror so that you don't hit the car behind you, or if you have a camera so that you don't hit. But on a test, you can't use the camera. But if you are parking after the test, then you can. And then you're going to straighten out this wheel, and then you're gonna move up a little so that you have your perfect parallel park. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know, I tried something different, because I mean, if I was just in the car doing it like everyone else, there's like a billion other videos. I figured this one, if you can visualize it and see it better, you know, like picture it all happening, it would be easier for you guys. For me, before I went and did my G2 test, I actually practiced parallel parking on GTA, like on the PlayStation. I literally just park 2 cars and then I practice exactly doing what I showed you guys in this video. I drive the car up, reverse it, turn, all that good stuff. And practice makes perfect. Honestly, parallel parking is not scary. I know a lot of people are scared of it and like you get like super nervous about it and stuff, but it's pretty easy. Once you understand the basics, which I hope this video helps you guys with, then it's gonna be super simple. It's just quick stop, turn, get back, straight, boom, done. It's literally just a S. You're parking, going like this, like this, like this, boom, simple. So yeah, if this helped you guys, I would really appreciate the subscription if you guys haven't already, and pressing that like button. Also, if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. If you're coming from any of my other videos, you know that I answer all the comments. And like, you know, I'm pretty active in our comments, and everyone's actually active in our comments because we get like a bunch of comments if you look at the other videos. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and hopefully it helped. Let me know how it was. And yeah, good luck. You guys got this. You can parallel park. It's super simple. I believe in you. And if you're about to take your test, good luck. You got this. If you already took your test and you're just watching this to learn how to park downtown, you still got this. You already got your test. You already got your license, so you don't have to worry about nothing. You know what I mean? Just skirt, park that. You know what I mean? And yeah, so we out. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and peace.